Today on Mike Attempts, replacing a dryer belt. The other day, my dryer stopped mid-cycle. When I try to start it, the sensing light turns on and nothing happens. A number of faulty components can cause this behavior, so I started by taking off the top panel to check the belt. Be sure the dryer is unplugged. Sure enough, no belt. You can see where it should be though. Push the plastic tabs outwards while lifting up on the console. Pull out on the console to release, but be careful, there are wires attached. Release the wire from the retaining clip to give yourself some slack and set it aside. Remove the bottom panel and use a small flathead screwdriver to disconnect the door sensor. Open the door and remove the two screws on either side of the lint trap. Remove the 4 screws holding the door panel and it should lift right out. Remove the lint chute and the lint trap. Four more screws secure the front bulkhead, but you don't need to completely remove the top 2. Pick up to release from the top screws, and then slide it down and out to remove. I should have done this before removing the bulkhead, but disconnect the moisture sensor and set the panel aside. Here's the broken belt. This is technically all that needs to be removed to replace the belt. However, I'm going to remove the drum so I can clean and better show how to install the new belt. To remove the drum, I'll need to take off the console bracket as well as the control bracket. Now the drum should lift out. This pulley tensions the belt. It's pretty dirty in here, so I cleaned it up. The OEM belt isn't expensive, and it seems to be higher quality than the aftermarket belts. The new belt must be installed with the drum in place. But here's how it'll end up looking. To install the new belt, be sure it isn't twisted and the ribbed rubber sides are facing each other. Work the belt around the drum and line it up with the old mark. Reach your left hand in on the left side of the drum and your right hand in on the right side. Press the rubber sides of the belt together and run it under the white pulley. Grab the loop on the other side with your left hand. Lift up on the pulley arm with your right hand until you can get the loop over the motor shaft. Here's how it should look from the left side and from the right. With the front bulkhead reinstalled, you can turn the drum to be sure the new belt is riding in the same spot as the old one. Reinstall the console and control brackets. Reconnect the moisture sensor. Reinstall the lint chute. And the door panel. Resecure the console wire and snap it back in place. Double check all wires to be sure their connections are secure. Open the door and reinstall the screws. Reconnect the door sensor and reinstall the bottom panel. Give it a quick test run before reinstalling the top panel. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.